back again. Hey, this one is going to look at the gallery page and show you how you can update the images and just talk a wee bit about how the actual gallery works. So there's a combination here of using the tools, site manager, file manager thing, and just quickly go in there and you can see under images there's a gallery folder here, and we've got 8 images in there, and at the moment these images are just basic default ones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace each of these with pictures that you obviously want to put in there. So some of the pictures now have to be a certain size again, so I'm going to have a look at a full size. So just checking my figures here. Yeah, I don't really have any kind of main default for when the picture's open, but you can see the thumbnails there, 220 by 260. So there's a couple of ways we can do this. First of all, let's just delete these ones that are already in there and replace them with the ones that we've got, or the ones that you want to put in, whatever they are. You'll find that the image management side of things is something you've got to think ahead about. You've got to create your folders for your images, collect them, put them in, and then go about resizing and stuff like that. So what I've got is I've got a folder here, Design Collective Scotland, a few images in there. I've copied some of the portrait ones into a folder. So again, I've called it large, and I've got 8 pictures in there. If you hover over them, you can see the 514 by 768. So that's not too bad. So we'll just leave them like that, and I've renamed them 101, 203, etc. down there. So what we'll do is we'll put them in to the gallery. So click on the gallery folder, add file, and let's go to Design Collection, large, and we'll just click on 0 to 8 and add them in. So these are all added in, and that's the full size photographs that will open when the thumbnail's clicked. Okay, so I'll just close that. Now what we've got here, you can see when your mouse is going over that the shape's getting highlighted, and if you just click and drag it aside, that's just one of these. It's just a quick rectangle, and it's just drawn across it, and there's a hyperlink attached to it, and that hyperlink goes to your image gallery, and there's this bit of code, REL equals pretty photo gallery after it. So that's really all you need to keep. So underneath then, so what I did was all I did was I clicked and I dragged the little rectangle shape off the photo. You can see there now that allows a little icon that says replace picture. Okay, so we could go there and select the large one, and we're on JPEG, so we could select that, and it replaces it and puts it in. And it's a wee bit kind of skew with there, it's not really taking it in the right proportion. So what we could do is we could go back to Photo Plus again, and we could go to the batch side of things, and we can go through all this malarkey again to select our folder and resize the pictures. So I'm going to do this just now, but again, if you do this ahead, then you'll not have all this slow bit to do. So if I do that, large, and then browse to the destination folder. So, boy, this is a bit of a malarkey, isn't it? It's all live television though, eh? And I'm looking for my websites. Here it is. And my test site. And that's going to resized. Now, I'm going to resize the images. And so that's going to be 220. And the height, I'm not really sure what I want the height to be. I suppose we could mimic that one there, which is 260, but it might not give us the we're looking for. I'll put it in the, what was it again? Let me just go back and have a look at that. 260, yeah. Okay, so if I put 260 in there, but maintain the ratio aspect, and just say okay. So I'm going to open them all, and it will save them into the folder. So if I just went back to there, there's all the photographs there, and what they've done is they've kept the 260 height actually. Okay, so we've now got smaller photographs there. So if we click on the bottom one there and change that to resized, okay, it doesn't fill it anyway. And we do the same for the other one. And just put that one in there. You can put the little overlay back across. What that's going to do is that's the hyperlink button there, and etc. So you can go ahead and do that for the rest of them, and that will put them in. Now obviously you can change the text as well, and I can do that just now with this one. So I'll take that one there, and call that something else, stunning dress or something. Put that back across. Okay, now I'll not go and do the rest, but we'll leave it like that just now, and you can change the title as well. So if I do save, and if I do preview site, we'll have a wee look and see what that looks like. So that's us resized thumbnails, put them in. We're accepting the default hyperlink that's going to go and look at the bigger, larger size image, and it'll put it into this pretty photo gallery light box. So should make it look quite interesting. So, the best photographer again. Right, let's go and look at the image gallery. Okay, so there's the 4 that we did there. You see the hyperlinks working. If we click that, that should then go and open up. Now it's opening up number 8 because I didn't change the image. What's happening here? Okay, I think we'll need to have a wee look at that. I'll just stop you there and we'll come back later.